Introduction to GitHub and Basic Machine Learning Projects. In this video, we will cover Introduction, GitHub Basics, GitHub for Projects, Basic Machine Learning Projects, Conclusion. GitHub, a popular web platform for hosting Git repositions, i.e. a place to store and sync your project files online. Git is a popular free, distributed version control system, i.e. a piece of software used to track the history of changes in a folder of files. Built around the powerful version control of Git, it provides a handy web interface for managing, editing and collaborating on repositories. Git allows a team of people to work together, all using the same files. And it helps the team cope with the confusion that tends to happen when multiple people are editing the same files. A standard GitHub repository with files committed to it. GitHub is a web-based platform that allows developers to store and manage their code repositories. Here are some reasons why you might want to use GitHub. Version control. GitHub provides a robust version control system that allows you to track changes to your code over time, collaborate with other developers, and revert changes if necessary. Collaboration. GitHub allows multiple developers to work on the same codebase simultaneously, making it easy to collaborate and review each other's code. It also provides tools for issue tracking and code reviews. Open source. GitHub hosts a large number of open source projects, which are available for anyone to use and contribute to. Job applications. Many companies look for GitHub profiles when considering job applicants, as it provides an easy way to showcase your code and contributions to the development community. GitHub can be a great tool for managing machine learning projects. Here are some tips for using GitHub for machine learning projects. Store data separately. Large datasets can quickly consume your repository's storage limit, so it's best to store your data in a separate location, such as a cloud storage service like Amazon S3 or Google Cloud Storage. You can include links to the data in your codebase or create a README file with instructions on how to download or access the data. Use branches. Create a branch for each new feature or bug fix you're working on to keep your codebase organized and make it easier to collaborate with other developers. This allows you to work on multiple features or fixes at the same time without affecting the main branch, and merge them back in when you're ready. Use issues. Use GitHub's issue tracker to keep track of bugs, feature requests, and other tasks related to your project. This can help you stay organized and on track, and allows other developers to contribute to the project by taking on specific issues. If you're just starting out with machine learning, there are a number of simple projects you can tackle to gain experience. Here are some ideas to get you started. Predicting house prices. Use regression algorithms to predict the price of a house based on its features, such as the number of bedrooms, the square footage, and the location. Image classification. Train a classifier to recognize different types of images, such as cats and dogs, using algorithms such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs. Sentiment analysis. Train a classifier to determine the sentiment of a piece of text, such as a product review or social media post, using algorithms such as naive Bayes or support vector machines, SVMs. In this presentation, we've covered some of the basic projects in machine learning, as well as how to use GitHub for version control and collaboration. These tools can help you analyze and visualize data, build machine learning models, and manage your codebase effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, practicing with these tools and experimenting with new techniques can help you improve your skills and build better projects. Remember to keep learning and exploring new ideas to stay ahead of the curve. Have fun exploring GitHub and making projects.